Hey, it's Justin, and if you want to make your very first Clickbank commission online today, then make sure to watch every second of this presentation. Because if you've never had that feeling before, you're in for a surprise. There's no bigger rush online than landing your very first Clickbank sale. When you see that first cash deposit sitting in your account, it changes everything. Why? Because if you can generate one sale, you can generate dozens, hundreds, maybe even thousands. And it's possible for you to do that each and every month practically on demand. So keep watching. In this short video, we're going to share with you how thousands of people are using Clickbank to live the dream of an automated side income or a full-time income and doing it 24/7, and how you can join them as soon as this afternoon. We'll do that by handing you the only blueprint for Clickbank success created by Clickbank themselves. Hi, my name is Justin Atlan. I'm head of Clickbank University faculty. My business partner Adam and I were actually some of the first people to make it really big with Clickbank by bringing in over millions of dollars in sales of our own products and affiliate commissions in record time. In fact, one of our products generated $1 million in just 1 week. And I'd like to introduce you to Milana Kalimulova. She's the head of product and user experience at Clickbank University.
It was years ago Justin invited me to join Clickbank on their mission to help 1 million people just like you achieve their financial dreams. How? Using Clickbank, of course. You see, every single day we help show people the way to their very first Clickbank sale.